Hello, hello, hello everyone. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Ça dépend de l'heure n'a regardé ya. Today we're gonna make strawberry cover with chocolate. Nous allons faire j'aurais ça fraise. J'aurais ça fraise en Haïti, quoi ça? Fraise kouvri avec chocolat. So, nous sommes j'aime dit nous Lem nan 200 abonnés. Premier 100 abonnés, m'te fait cremas pour nous. M'te dit nous lem nan 200 abonnés, m'a font l'autre bagay pour nous, eh bien, c'est cadeau à ça, m'a fait dessert. C'est cadeau à ça. So, n'a va le faire fraise couvri avec chocolat. OK? Moi que m'gen plus que 200 abonnés, so m'a dit pour 200 plus abonnés mieux. So remember I told you that when I'm in the 200 abonnee subscriber, I will make something like I do for the first 100. I make that drink. So today I'm making that strawberry covered with chocolate for my 200 plus subscriber. It's just a way to say thank you. Okay, I appreciate all of you. Moi apprécier nous toutes parce que nous gardez, nous abonnés. Okay? So, ça c'est pour nous. So, mais ça nous avons besoin pour nous faire fraise couvri avec chocolat noir. En France, on a besoin fraise et on a besoin chocolat, li gen chocolat blanc, li gen chocolat marron et ou gen n'importe couleur chocolat. So, ou gen changer couleur chocolat tout. Comprendre? Et puis mes bagay nous gen pour nous changer couleur chocolat. OK? Et on a besoin parchemin ça, parchemin. Ça c'est un papier, un cooking paper, un papier qui sert dans la cuisine. Okay? We're gonna need that cooking paper. This is not the foil, but it's another one. You see it? They call it parchment. That's French, I think. Parchment. Parchment is in English. So we're gonna need chocolate. We got white chocolate here. So we can change the color. And we have this color. We have a few color inside it. You see? It's cooking color. Thing to cook to change your food color. So many. Si vous pas voulez utiliser ça, vous doit utiliser only chocolate just the way it is. J'en y'a vous doit utiliser chocolat comme ça. OK? Et puis, n'a besoin de bagay pour nous fond chocolat. We're gonna need a glass to melt the chocolate. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment. I like the comment. Keep commenting because even you don't see me, give you an answer. I may not see your comment on time. So I enjoy reading the comment. Toujours quittez un commentaire pour moi, s'il vous plaît. Si vous regardez beaucoup subscribe, quittez un commentaire pour moi. Et puis, like, share, like. Et moi, remets commentaire yo parce que autrefois, m'appelé un paquet de commentaires. L'homme gen chance, m'a fait réponse. M'te amusé dans les commentaires yo, gen souri là-dedans yo, et puis ça encourage. OK? Pas de mauvais commentaires. Tout commentaire bon commentaire. On moun gen doit font commentaire, c'est comme ça qu'on fait bagay là, et puis moi même fait l'autre gens, it's okay pour faire commentaire pour dire moi pas aimer Jean tel bagay fait tel Jean ou bien si c'est moi pas faire ou bien côté me sorti a yo pas konn mettre tel bagay dans tel bagay, it's okay, pas de problème moi aimer ça. OK? Continuez faire ça. Keep commenting. I like the comment. Even it's good, it's not good, it's okay. All right. Let's continue. Okay, guys. Mde di nou, tale am sot di nou pou premier. First, kitem di nou ki sa nou pral fe next. Nou pral seche strawberry nou an avèk papye. Ok? Nap seche l paske nou pa ave dlo la dan. Ok? Nap seche li. Kitem pase bo isi. Ouais. Nap seche l kon sa. Et puis mettez yo non assiette qui sèche encore. Nap séché. Ouais. Mettez yo non assiette qui sèche. Bien séché. Ouais, nap mettez là. Moi même pour me faire bailler ça avec gros strawberry. Moi même les petites filles nan, ces petites filles nan qui a montré me faire li. So, moi même l'elle fait yo avec gros strawberry. Nous songe m'te font vidéo m'te di nou m'a fait ça pour nous parce que petite moi te fait m'te ba non petit pic on it. Okay, c'est comme ça. You remember guys when I tell you that my daughter makes strawberry with chocolate and I'm gonna ask her to help me to show me how to make it and I will bring you a video on it. That's what I'm doing today. So I like to get big strawberry, but it's not easy to get big one because what they do, they mix them. They put big and small on it. So for me to get those big one, I have to buy a few boxes and get the big one out of it. So yeah, this is the way I'm drying my strawberry. I'm not drying all of it in front of you. I don't want the video to be too long. And another thing I wanna Mam vle pote correction. I said for my first pour premier 200 combien subscriber myo. Actually, li dem te dim pou mal checker, double check pendant m'a fait vidéo a. Lem gade moi m'gete nan 300 combien subscriber. 300 combien abonnés. So, m'a corrigé ça m'te di a. M'a fait strawberry chocolate là pour 300 plus abonnés mieux. OK? 300 plus abonnés mieux. Et avant année a, nous voulons arriver dans 1000 abonnés. S'il vous plaît, aidez-nous pour nous arriver dans 1000 abonnés. Ou même k'ap gade qui peut ko abonné, si vous aimez travail là, s'il vous plaît, abonnez. Nous y a pile bagay n'a pote pour. OK? C'est pas manger haïtien seulement, c'est plus manger haïtien n'a fait oui, mais n'a pote l'autre culture tout manger l'autre culture pour nous garder, pour nous essayer parce que y a l'autre culture tout qui fait bon manger. OK? So, continuez à abonner, partager avec amis nous. Moi apprécier nous en pile, faire commentaire et puis n'a fait manger ensemble. OK? So, I told you guys that my daughter is the one that know how to make strawberry chocolate. I never make it before, but my daughter always make it, but I never pay attention. Today, she's gonna teach me how to make it. I always eat it when she make it, but I never really pay attention to see how she did it. So today she's teaching me, telling me what to do so I can do it for you guys because The last time you remember I take a picture, I put a little short video about that strawberry thing. And I told her that I tell my subscriber, you're gonna help me make it for them. And she agreed to do that. I thank you, my daughter, for that. All right. Gonna finish drying it. Okay, guys. Now I'm finished drying my strawberry. Okay, here we go. And now you remember that parchment paper. So I take a piece of it, I put it over my counter, my clean counter. It's already clean. All right, guys, nou sonje te montre nou papye sa, men li marke parchment. Si ou pa cherche nan store, ou kapab jwenn ni nan store, men pam nan mte achete nan Costco. Ni do achete nan Costco ou Sam. Si ou pa bezon gros kon sa, paske sa yo se pou restaurant, mdojou achete gros, et ou kapab achete un ti piti nan Publix ou n'importe l'autre store. Ok? So mpou morceau la dan meni, m'ouver li sou kontem nan ki deja nettoyé. Okay? And I have my strawberry here. So I open my chocolate and I have my glass. I put some. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna put some more chocolate. I'm not gonna fill my glass. Okay? I'm gonna make it half. Mpa plen vaisseau a mape melt chocolat, non? Ma mette l moitié. La kon bon moitié. Ok? M'utilise chocolat blanc parce que chocolat blanc ou ka changer le couleur. So m'bral fè li, bon eske couleur sa. Yeah, li gen toujours parce que petit mwen fè bay sa en pile. Li utilize couleur sa en pile, li presque fini. But m'pense m'a jwenn pou m'fè sa pou nou. Ok? So, chocolat blanc ou gen do a changer le couleur, bleu, vous comprenez? Mais si vous achetez dark chocolate, ça couleur chocolat noir, bagay sa yo, il est difficile pour changer le couleur. C'est ça que fait si vous voulez changer le couleur. Vous voyez bagay sa gen l'autre couleur la donne. So, m'pense occasion ça dans Amazon, m'pense petite moi acheter dans Amazon parce que c'est les mêmes qui achètent bagay sa yo. Et oui. So, m'pense occasion ni dans store tout. So, c'est comme ça. Nou pral fè fraise avec chocolat noir, strawberry. Yo rele sa strawberry ici, fraise. Guys, le nou m'di bagay yo en créole, m'di yo en anglais, m'di yo pou bien nou, parce que m'konnen gen nou ki vini, nou ka poko kon nou bagay yo en anglais. So si m'di yo en anglais, na pral nan store, na bjwen ni. Ok? Parce que m'pense avec toute qualité moun k'ap gade vidéo m'nan. Right? So, okay. So, many. All right? We put our half cup of chocolate, white chocolate. We use white chocolate because the white chocolate is easier to change color. You can put that liquid oil thing on it and you change it to that pink. You can put, if you want it blue, you can use a blue. If you want it purple, if you want it, whatever color. But if you get the dark chocolate or the chocolate that the color chocolate, I don't think you can change that to a color. So that's why we use white chocolate. And you don't have to use that either. If you have white chocolate, you can just use the white chocolate and dip it in it. Okay? It's up to you. But some people don't like, add other thing to the thing. Everything is up to you. All right. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna melt our chocolate. I think I wanna put a little bit more than half because so when I dip it, I have enough because My strawberry is pretty good, some of them. I mean, pretty big, some of them. So I can dip it really deep. We're not gonna dip the whole strawberry. We're gonna make it maybe around here or halfway. Okay? So, yeah, pense ça bon. We're gonna melt it in our microwave for like 30 seconds at a time until it melt. We're not gonna melt it like put 2-3 minutes. No. Little by little we're gonna melt it until it's really melt. So nous pour aller mettre chocolat nous dans microwave. N'a commencé à 30 secondes. OK, n'a retiré, n'a brassé et puis kounya là nous doit si nous elle poko fin en fond, nous doit tourner nous mettre pour 10 secondes. Nous retirer, nous brasser et puis jusqu'à ce que les fin melt, les fin en fond et puis kounya là n'a souke ça, n'a vide la dedans pour ka vin faire couleur. OK? All right. Bon, pas montrer nous les map melt li a même déjà dit non. OK? 30 secondes. Et puis brasser si nous li poko fin et fond toujours, remettez 10 secondes. OK? We're going to start melting at 30 seconds. If you see it's not fully melt, put it back in the microwave for another 10 seconds until the whole chocolate is melt. Then you put that thing. It's an oil thing like color, and you put it on it and stir it so we can get the chocolate change to pink. Okay, guys, you see, this is what 30 seconds gives me. You see, when you put the chocolate, it's you see the glass was over there. Now it's all the way down. So I think I should fill it up. Okay? Fill it up to get it to halfway. So nous à 30 secondes, chocolate pou yon poko fin fond non, mais m'a brassel et puis m'bral mette 10 secondes encore. So m'te mette là, kounya jusqu'au tel descend. So ça veut dire sou besoin nan moitié glace là, wap plein. Kounya là, l'el descend la vin nan moitié. OK? All right. Pense ma OK, ouais. Dans 30 secondes ou brasser là, la presque fin fond. Et puis m'bral mette 10 secondes encore. Pour le capable bay net. OK. Guys, kounya la li bien fond. It's melted now. Well good. So this you have to shake it. Okay? I already shake mine. So shake it good. Faut que soukel bien et puis pour mettre dans ça pour ka changer couleur. OK? Meni. Et puis wap brasser. Faut faire ça vite parce que ou pas vle pour le vini pour chocolat vini fret dans men. Et puis de temps en temps sou senti la fret la vin di, faut qu'on mette dans microwave encore. You don't want your chocolate to become hard on you. You know, little by little, you're gonna keep heating it up so it don't becoming harder. Okay? We're gonna keep stirring until the whole chocolate turn pink. All right? Okay, guys. Now we're gonna start dipping it. If you see my chocolate is more than what it was. You see how my daughter is dipping it? Okay? Ooh, look at that. I add more chocolate because those big strawberry, you have to see how big is your strawberry. So, you know, if you dip it, the whole strawberry can get some strawberry. Nou wè ki jan petit pwen entre nan verre, nte ajoute plus chocolat, nte mettre plus chocolat parce que chokola mte mette a te desan jis an ba, avek gros strawberry sa yo, li pa tap ka entre an ba, koule an ba pou tout kol pran chokola. So, se sak fe mte ajoute, plus chokola, mpa te fel nan kamera, so mwen di nou sa, pou nou men, nou kapap fel tou. Ok? So, se kon sa nou pral kontinye, koule chokola nou yo an ba, koule freze nou yo an ba, strawberry ya. Alright? Those are very nice big one. You see how she dip it? She don't dip the whole thing. But you don't have to do it like that. You can dip half too if you want. You can just do fe moitié. Ou gen dwa mette moitié chokola, kite moitié fraise de yo. The way she did it, you don't have to cover the whole strawberry. You can leave some out. So make some half way and the other full way. Okay? Thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. My daughter already do 4 and I'm gonna continue with the rest of it. Alright? You see when you dip it, you hold it so it can keep so it can leak. I mean dripping. There we go. This is my first one. I think I should drip it more. I don't know. Here we go. This is the way we're gonna continue to do each of them. Okay? Very nice. Beautiful. And it tastes good, guys. You should try it. Try it for a special friend. Special friend, guys. For my people on Instagram, this is how we make our strawberry covered with chocolate. If you want to know how I make that, please check it out in my YouTube channel, the longer video of it. In my YouTube channel, Lizna Cooking. Look at that. Nice and beautiful. Some of it we cover the whole thing, the whole strawberry. Some of it we cover some of it. We left some of it out. Gen do a kouvri tout strawberry ya. Jan nou un petit pou yon fè sa la. Kon sa tou nou kapab kite kek de yo, parti nan strawberry ya de yo, jan pa myo ya. Ok? En si nou e chokola nou pral fini, ou bien chokola avin fret nan men nou, lap di, nou kapab chofil. E fò chokola pa chaud, pa kite l chaud. Se sa fè se 30 secondes nou mette. Si l pa fin fond, nou ka mette 10 secondes anko. Don't let your chocolate to be hot. That's why we put 30 seconds. And if we need more, we add like 5 or 10 seconds. We don't want it to be hot. Really dip it. Really, really, really dip it. Let me pull that so I can have more space. Fon kite l degoute, bien degoute. Pou nou mette l sou papye ya. Okay? Yes. And there's other style you can do with it too. You know, other color. Maybe another time I'll show you. You know, if you have a special friend coming to your house, a family member. So, yeah. You having get together with friend and family. This is a very nice dessert too. You can have that for dessert, a healthy dessert. Chocolate is good for you. Strawberry is good for you if you're not diabetic, So even you're diabetic, you can have chocolate, moderate. Yes. Isn't that nice? I think I may need more chocolate because it's low. It's going low. Okay. Let's see. Let me see. Get this small one. I don't know if I may just have it like that. Just enough. Bak wè ma fè plus que ça. Si chocolat vin fini, m'a just quitter le comme ça. M'a besoin faire plus que ça. M'a chauffer plus. Nice. Yes, like that. Beautiful. Here we go. We're done soaking it in that chocolate. Now, time to put it in a plate. Something, whatever you have. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in that thing. Okay. And bring it closer. Here we go. You see, it's already dry. Look. Okay, let me show you better. See? It's already dry. Here we go. Here. Look at that. Yes. Beautiful. This. That. This. Put it here. Okay. Here we go. Demonster. Affinity droite. Put some big one here. Alright. And some lower one. Yeah, that's big. We want a small one to put here to satisfy our eyes. Okay. And here we go. Put that here. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Look good. Real nice. Okay. Maybe we can all right. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. Like and share. Let me see if I can fit a small one here. Which one I'm getting here? This one. Put it here. Here we go. Very nice. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. Let me see if I can squeeze another one here. I need a nice one. Like this one. Okay. I think it's good now. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys. This is how is it. This is how my strawberry covered with chocolate came out. C'est comme ça strawberry nan qui couvre à chocolat sauté. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you. Merci en pile parce que nous gade vidéo myo. M'apprécie nous en pile. Continuez garder. Et pour nous arriver, on va année à fini dans 1000 abonnés ou plus. Okay? Before the year end, our goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers or more. And I know you guys gonna help me do that. Achieve that. Gonna nape share vidéo yo pour m'arriver dans 1000 abonnés ou bien plus avant année à fini. All right. Have a good rest of your day. When you have a little party, you go around. Oh, something else I wanna show you. Like if you have a stick, when you have a party, you can bring a stick and then give everybody a stick and stick in there, and then people can get them. So when you put your hand, you don't dirty the rest of it. Okay? Thank you for watching.